Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and thanks for joining us on today's DIY. So today we're going to change the battery on this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Special Edition Oscar Mike, which belongs to my sister-in-law Jennifer. And my brother Enrique will be helping me out. And before we start, it's always good to have this Keep Alive memory tool. If your vehicle has sensitive electronics like navigation, it will keep its preset memories so you don't lose them. In our case, we did not use it, since this Jeep does not have a navigation system. Okay, let's get to it. And on the left side is our battery.
Here to the left side is where you're going to go, right here.
And to my left is my positive terminal, which is connected with a red cable wire. And to my right is the negative terminal, which is connected by a black cable wire. And these terminals are held down by a 10mm nut. One right here, and the other one right here. I also like this handle on this battery for easy pickup. The good thing about Jeep hoods is that you can extend them all the way to the windshield.
Okay, you just want to put some cloth on the top there so you don't
scratch up your paint job or your windshield.
Jeep in nice and slow right there.
And if we take a look at the side of the battery, right down here is a 10mm bolt that we have to undo. It's quite deep down there, so we'll need a 6 to 8 inch extension to get at it.
Okay, if you want to keep the memory alive and you don't want to have to reset anything, we could put a jumper cable here from the positive and from the negative and hook it into a host battery to keep your memory alive and don't have to reset anything.
And like I said before, we're not going to do that since this car doesn't have a navigation system. The only thing we're going to reset is the clock. Okay, the first thing we do is loosen that 10mm nut on the negative terminal side, right here. Take your 10mm socket, turn it to the left, lefty-loosey.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate...
Just loosen the nut, you don't have to remove it. Then wiggle it out.
There we go. Just put it off to the side over here where it doesn't touch any metal. Plastic side right here is good. We'll do the positive side. We're going to take off the
10mm nut.
10mm socket again. We're going to do this side here.
Anger in a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong every breath.
We're just going to put it to the side right here. Make sure it doesn't touch anything.
That's right, do not let it touch any metal.
And the third thing we're going to do here is go and get that bolt right there. Okay, with a 10mm, also 10mm deep extension socket. It's gonna go right here.
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong every breath out. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong every breath out. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
And just take out now. There we go. This just basically holds the battery down. Now the battery can freely come out.
Yes, don't lose this part because it acts as a spacer and holds the battery down. Okay, time to remove the battery, but be careful, it's quite heavy.
Oh, inside here is quite dirty. I'm gonna give it a quick
Yeah, since we're down here, might as well give it a good quick cleaning with the shop vac.
The old battery is
11 inches in length. But the new battery my brother purchased at Costco is 12 inches in length. Uh-oh, so we made a mistake by not measuring the new battery before we purchased it. So you guys don't make the same mistake we did. We just assumed they gave us the correct battery. Never assume. Learn from our mistake and you'll save yourself some time and money. We even tried to see if this would fit in the Jeep. And in the end, it was too tight and would not fit properly. So we ended up taking a second trip to Costco to get the correct size battery. And we measured it over there. And it's the correct size.
we actually downgraded 7 to 760 cold cranking amps from the 850, but still upgraded from the original
600 cold cranking amps. Also, don't lose this little piece, this little part right here, where the battery sits on. Our shop vac accidentally sucked it up and we had to retrieve it. Now let's put the correct battery back on.
out of the way here. Okay, everything's good.
Look how easy it is now, smooth as butter. Now install our bolt to hold down the battery.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeling this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break.
Okay, first thing we're gonna do is go to the positive terminal here. We can take this thing out now and put this one right here. Don't bang it. Fits nice and smooth right there. Everything looks good.
Now you can remove this plastic protection right here. It may sound funny, but some people actually forget to take this out. Then they wonder why the car still doesn't start.
Right. And it's right here. I'm going to put that right in there also. Nice. Fits good. Okay.
Dreams fade away like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be.
Now we'll tighten the right side
keep
here.
dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. On when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong.
Okay, go ahead, start it up.
Ready?
Yeah. Sweet. Sweet. Looks good.
Okay.
Now all you gotta do is just reset the clock, that's it. All good, bro.
Well, thanks for watching another DIY. So if you liked my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. See you again next time.